Hi guys, it's Tiggs. So today we are playing a game called Cooking Companions. This is a visual novel type game, but it's also got a horror twist to it. So let's jump straight into it. Oh my gosh, how cute are these characters? Oh, I love the little scroll on the blue guy's shoulder. So, Karen, I hate to say it, but you really outdid yourself with that stew. Anthony, the seasoning was superb. I tasted dill and something else. Did you grow your herbs yourself? Mariah, you'll have to share your recipe with me. And Gregor, I could really go for fourths. Is anyone still hungry? Nothing makes you happier than cooking a great meal for friends. You could hold cooking classes here. You'd be extremely successful if you foraged for local produce. Was anyone listening earlier? I'll have the rest if nobody else is hungry. Gregor, thanks for cooking again, and sorry, dishes aren't my thing. The four seem stuffed as they clear out of the kitchen. You look at the pile of dishes and your mind starts to wander. Oh! Cabbage! Let's play hide and seek. That sounds much better than doing the dishes. There's 5 of us to find. Can you find all of us? The red-haired woman should know where the basement key is. And I bet one of us is hiding down there. Oh great, we have to go into a basement now. She's whittling something in the rocking chair right now. So watch out for that knife. Oh gosh. Probably best to avoid a knife. Yes, I agree with that. As the leader of the Trumpettes, it's critical we all escape at the same time. So please, don't forget any of us. Wait, why did I say escape? Good luck! Cabbage rolls away and tries to hide. Maybe now is a good time to speak with the red-haired woman. Let's check the living room, I guess. Looks like she's just slicing away at a block of wood. Cabbage was correct. The knife looks sharp. Can I help you? What are you whittling with that knife, or have you seen the basement key anywhere? I'll ask where the basement key is. Didn't you leave it in the kitchen? You can't remember. I haven't seen the key, so good luck with that. Oh, that's helpful. Maybe one of the Trumpettes has it in the kitchen. You decide to check out the kitchen. Thankfully, there's not too many places for a cabbage to hide. Where do you want to check first? So you can check the cupboards, behind the wood pile, or the cauldron. I mean, I can't remember if that cupboard was open before. Let's try the cupboards. They're all empty. This must have been the dishes that are piling up. Yikes. I guess we'll try the cauldron. You hear some rustling around. Found her! Oh, you found me! Well done. As leader of the Trumpettes, you don't need to convince me. I'm coming with you. Cabbages, join the party. Cute! 4 Trumpettes to go. Right. What's next, Cabbage? I don't want to play hide and seek more, or do you know the basement key is? Let's ask where the basement key is. Of course. Right in that nasty oven. There's nothing but a big pile of ashes in the oven. You found the basement key. Great. There it is. Aren't you going to wash your hands, though? Cabbage almost guilts you into washing your hands. Almost. That's disgusting. Let's focus on the mission ahead. Finding the trumpets. I heard a noise coming out of the bedroom. Maybe that's a good place to search first? Probably. Great, I'll meet you there. Cabbage rolls down the hallway. Will she lead you to another trumpet? Huh? Radio? What's going on with that radio? You didn't even notice it on the ground when you walked in. Did somebody leave this radio here? It looks newer than anything you've ever seen before. Seems to be broken. Maybe you'll pick a signal up when looking around the cabin? Better hold on to this radio. You got this strange radio. Great. Time to see what Cabbage found in the bedroom. Let's check it out. Oh, thought you'd still be fending off that glutton Gregor right now. I found a book under one of the beds. Do you know what the cover says? I know it's only 2 words long, but I can't make out the title. Tell her what the title is, I guess? Ah yes, Cabin Cooking. Terrible title. Alliteration is so childish. Speaking of cookbooks, what's for lunch tomorrow? Maybe I can forage a special ingredient for you. You tell him. Interesting. I think that will pair nicely with wild yarrow. I'll go look for some around the cabin. Talk to you later. That was really weird. Why can't he read? I should have asked that. Oh well. You unlocked the Anatoly profile in the extras section of the main menu. Well, time to find onion. Onions are smaller than a cabbage, so it might be more difficult. Where do you want to check first? I mean, I want to check under the piece of wood that is sticking up, and there looks like a bone under there. I don't know if I should check that. Let's check under there. You notice a bone sticking out? Yeah, that's what I thought it was. Great. Is that a human bone? Oh my god. Nope. Chicken bone. Okay. I mean, that's still a bit weird to have under your floorboards, but okay. Gross. I agree. I can see ink on the side of the table. I can't see anything in the birdcage from where I can look, but I don't know. And I'm a bit scared to check under the beds. Let's check the nightstand. Ah, found it. Here he is. Don't be a crybaby, it's just me. Onion! No matter what I look like, I assure you I am sweet. Honest. Did you sprint here? You're drenched in sweat. Could smell you coming from a mile away. Thanks. Grace. I don't have a nose, but if I did, would probably lose my lunch. When's the last time you had a bath, Stinky? That's a bit rude. Don't answer that. Just join me in the boiling water sometime. I'm good. I'm good, thanks. Really loosens the meat off of those old bones. Well, now I feel uncomfortable. That was great. Got a fun factoid for you. You know what's good for a sore throat? Oh my god, what are they gonna tell me now? Me, onion. Just chop me up and mix me in with... I'm not giving you the answer here. I'm buzzing with excitement. Well, I don't like that one of the answers is blood. and I'm not gonna say that because that's just weird. And why would you have honey in with onions? I guess you can have glazed onions. Oh, it was correct. Okay. The sulfuric compounds help soothe your throat, and honey just tastes great. Of course, I'll come with you. Onion has joined the party. I mean, Onion's freaking me out, but sure, you can join the party. Glad to have you join us, Onion. No problem, there's nothing else to do today. He's telling the truth. I heard Bread making noise in the living room. You know how loud he can get? Bread? The one and only. Trumpets! Let's move out. Your party is quickly expanding. 3 trumpets left. Oh. My radio? Looks like that strange radio picked up a signal. You're not sure what the purpose of this broadcast is. You were hoping the strange radio would play upbeat music or something. Oh well. No use focusing on this right now. Explore the living room, I guess. Don't even know what the radio's saying, so it can't help me. No, it's pretty cool. I was looking everywhere for you. I already licked some of the bowls clean, so need to wash them. Wouldn't want to waste anything, right? Thanks for cooking dinner for us today. Gave all of us time to work on our hobbies. What are your hobbies? Karen with her whittling, Anthony with his herbalism, Mariah with her studies, and me? I'm just here for the food. I mean, same. You should double the recipe next time, just so none of us go hungry later. Terrible idea. Anyways, going to check out those beds. Sleeping on the couch has been killing my back. Later. The couch looks like a good bed to you. Bread. Where do you want to check first? Right, so we got the bookshelf, under the couch, inside the mouse hole. I mean, it could be under the couch because he said that he had bad back, but I mean, you get a bad back from sitting like sleeping on a couch anyway, so. But I'm gonna check there. Let's check there. Lots of cobwebs underneath. Thankfully, no spiders. Okay. Let's check the bookshelf. There's various books on a wide variety of topics. No time to read them now, though. I guess he's in the mouse hole. Cute. Found me. Everyone's secretly favourite trumpet bread. Don't you loaf me? My cousin Cornbread taught me that one. He has hundreds. No, thousands of terrible puns. He's my role model. Oh, very funny. So, what do you need? You tell Brad about gathering the trumpets together. That's a pretty crummy idea. Remember what happened last time? Oh my god, what happened last time? With Potato? I mean, you're going against a whole grain here. You really want to help us out? I'll come with you if you pass my culinary quiz. You've always been good at cooking stuff, so this should be a piece of cake. No eyeballing measurements for you today. You're being exact. No dashes, shakes, or just touches here. Wouldn't want to ruin the recipe, right? This is a math quiz. Here we go. 1/4 of a teaspoon is 1.25 millimeters. My special bread recipe calls for 2 teaspoons of salt. How many millimeters would that be? I don't do math. maybe I should just put I don't do math because I think that'd be quite funny. Really? No disrespect, but you'll need to do math sooner or later. Like, wow. Can't believe your hubris. Cabbage? Onion? Can you back me up on this? As leader of the Chompettes, I must tell you, I've heard them say some really dumb things before. But this takes the cake. Holy cow, was that dumb. Onion? Get in here and weigh on there, nice. Yeah, you're being ridiculous right now. Beyond ridiculous. The answer was 10. Oh, yeah, come on. 10 millimeters. You do know how to count to 10, right? I do, actually. Just hold out both of your hands and count each finger. Get it? You just counted to 10. I love how I'm getting a lesson to count to 10 from 3 pieces of food. I'm not going to even break down the math problem to explain how the answer was 10 millimeters. Yes, I get why it was 10 millimeters. That'd be too complicated for you. Yeah. You're more embarrassing than potato. Oh, thanks. Very embarrassing. I'll join the group, but only because I'm worried about you. I don't think it mattered what my answer was, to be fair. Don't make Fred regret this. Fred was reluctantly joined to the group. But it feels pretty hollow. Chompettes, let's go find Raspberry. Maybe keep your mouth shut. Don't embarrass us in front of Raspberry. Okay. Bit rude. Mosey's out. You have 3 Chompettes in your party. 2 more to go. This sounds similar to the broadcast from before. Pretty annoying. Do these numbers mean anything? Oh, they're numbers. Oh. Probably not. Oh well. Maybe there's someone knows how to repair this thing. You head to the basement door. Oh, do I have to go to the basement? We've got 2 more to find. Oh, didn't see you creeping up behind me. Why is a deadbolt on this door? That's some high security for a cellar full of beets and potatoes. Or maybe it's hiding something else, like a deep, dark secret. You shrug. Haha, I don't care what Karen says, you're funny. See you around. You unlocked the Mariah profile. Oh, we found Raspberry straight away. Okay, she's here. The birds outside turn silent. You could hear a pin drop. Oh, great. You can almost hear her breathing. What, the raspberry? Oh my gosh, she's getting closer. You feel the sudden urge to scream. You can't sneak up on me. Don't ever try that again. Surprise! Found you, Raspberry! Right, Raspberry is worse than Onion. Oh wow, it's very nice to see you, Cabbage. We wouldn't leave you behind, Raspberry. Honest? We need your help finding Potato. Our combined Chompette detective skills says he's in the basement. Does it have to be in the basement? Oh yeah? Do you have the basement key? Here it is? No, or why do you care? I mean, apparently potatoes down there, but raspberries freak me out. Let's say why do you care? Oh wow. Rude. She's just trying to help you out. Well, not anymore. Bye bye. Raspberry goes off to hide again. Don't worry about her. Let's just find Potato. Trumpets. Move out. Oh no, please. This is freaking me out now. It started raining outside. You feel a knot in the pit of your stomach. Yes, I do. Looking down those bloody stairs. Oh my god, I swear to god, if someone runs up at me. It's just a staircase. Yes, I know it's just a staircase, but it's freaking me out. Because I don't know what's at the bottom of it. Nothing to be scared of. You begin your descent. Oh my gosh. Eek! This is freaking me out. Because you can't see what's at the bottom of this. The sound of dripping water echoes up the staircase. Is this water from the floods? The walls have changed. What? Someone just spoke. Oh my god, someone spoke in my ears. It looks like a mixture of dirt and soot. Something is approaching. I swear to god, if it's anything but the potato, I will not be happy. Oh, I don't want to go down there. Let's just go. We can do it, guys. You grit your teeth and keep going. The sound of rain has completely stopped down here. Your vision is fading too. Oh, I should have run back up. The pressure is intense. You feel you're trapped under miles of ocean. You think you can hear something faintly. I can hear a heartbeat right now. Someone's knocking from the top of the stairs. You ignore the distraction, but you've lost track of time down here. Your radio turns on. Oh my gosh. Someone's bloody crying. Why does someone have to cry? The strange radio seems to be connecting with something from beyond. Something from... oh my god. You'll experience some serious deja vu. I've never seen this before, mate. Never. You decide to continue downward. Your feet finally hit solid ground in the basement. And it's pitch black? Listen, if this was real life I wouldn't be going down here, but... okay. Something doesn't feel right. Yeah. I can't see. You feel around the wall, blindly, and locate the light switch. Oh god, what's going to be there when the lights turn on? She's right in front of you. I mean, who in their right mind would keep searching the basement? What? What else are you gonna find? She's standing there. Mate, I'm running. You run quickly to the staircase. You can feel her breath. You can feel her breath in your neck. Oh my god, I'm freaking out. You make it to the top and slam the door behind you. Great attempt. You found 3 of us. You were rude to Raspberry, but that's okay. Your ranking is B. B as in bummer. Maybe you can be a better person next time. That would go a long way in reuniting us all of us. Yeah, guess we're not moving on. It really seems you have some things to work on. We have a special surprise for you. Go to the bed and lie down. Oh god, am I gonna be a sacrifice now? Sweet dreams! Are you going to cook dinner or not? You've been staring into space for a few minutes. Dinner? We're not picky. That's not true. I'll literally eat anything at this point. That's not true either. What are you cooking tonight? You tell her. It's your speciality, cabbage rolls. That sounds great. You look for your first ingredient. You take some meat out of the pantry. This meat is severely rancid. You could smell it before the drawer was even open. Everyone's noses are sniffling. You gag as you put it down. What is this? It smells disgusting. You sure it's safe for human consumption? This smells familiar. Why would you serve that to us? Maybe it's aged to perfection? You know I'm not into meat. You grab your knife. You sear the meat on both sides, trying to get the edges flumbling a little. Next up, chopping the cabbage. Thanks for adding some vegetables. That's not helping much. This meat is starting to smell better. The meat was done cooking. Everyone begins to salivate. Hurry up and finish the cabbage rolls. Okay. I can't wait anymore. You can see Karen's knife out the corner of her dress. Give it to me. Now. Karen gets ready to bury the knife into you. You wake in a cold sweat. Wake up, sleepyhead. You're having a nightmare. Okay, what the hell is going on and why is there a person in a door? Haven't seen someone fresh and asleep like that. You must be pretty hungry after all of that exploring. Want one last treat? Don't worry, I won't tell the others. I found a dead mouse in one of the cupboards. And I want you to have it. Why? How's that for a big breakfast? Is she okay? She's actually scaring me. You remember the old proverb, right? Appetite comes with eating. Don't worry, it gets easy after your first one. It's decaying a little, but it's still fresh enough to devour. I ain't eating no mouse. You're going to love it. I'm not. Well, that's great. I mean, that was one of the freakiest things ever. Like, yeah, okay. That was scary. But, I know there's multiple endings, so I could go for a better one. I think I'm just gonna leave it, and Potato can die. If you guys want to try out the game and see if you can get Potato, go for it, because I don't want to go through that again. that was quite a good game. Yeah, if you enjoyed this game, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!